So if you're like, girl, tell me, what is it? Now, if you feeling that itch in your hand to turn in your resignation and just go all in on your passion projects, or before you toss your moneymaker out the window like I did, hold on a minute. Before you do, let's talk about what I wish I had known before I jumped ship too fast. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine, and today I want to have a real honest conversation with you about a topic that's close to my heart. Now, whether or not you should quit your 9 to 5 while working on your side hustle is the question to ask. Trust me, I've been there, and today I want to share some mistakes that I made so you don't have to make those same mistakes. So if you're on the fence or not about wanting to start or even grow your side hustle business, but your 9 to 5 is your money maker right now. Today, I'm going to share with you some mistakes I made, and hopefully it will save you from doing the same thing. So let's get into them. So here's the truth, y'all. I was so desperate to leave my 9 to 5. Like, I was sick of it. I wanted to be free. I wanted to live the dreams I had in my mind. I even wanted to dream and do what I love to do, running my business full time. That I threw everything I had into creating digital products. And I neglected the side hustle I already had going. And let me tell you, I was not prepared for how tough it was going to be. I really thought creating digital products would be easy, just something cute and useful. Put it online and just watch the money roll in, right? Because that's what everybody says about them. Wrong. I did not realize how much time, skills, and resources I needed just to get noticed in the sea of everybody else and all of the digital creators that's already out here on these platforms. So when I heard about this from people in my circle, I was like, oh, yes, definitely. That's what I need in my life. Like, I need that time freedom because I was tired of working 8 to 10, sometimes even 12 hours a day. I had a job, I worked straight 12-hour shifts. Then having to come home and still do everything that I needed to get done around the house for my family, for my kids. Then trying to struggle to find some me time, struggling to find time to do and package my custom orders that I had coming in. But the first mistake I did was I gave up on the one side hustle that was bringing in the money too fast. And I was about to turn in my 2 week notice with my job because I'm like, okay, digital products has to be the way. Like, this is for me. This is the answer that I've been looking for. So I was about to throw it all away in just a nick of a couple of weeks. You see what I'm saying? So my first mistake I made was quitting way too soon without having a proper plan. I really underestimated how much time and effort it would take to build a customer base first and to market my digital products the right way. So I jumped in without knowing the basis of digital marketing like SEO, email marketing, and social media strategies. I didn't have a clear understanding on my target audience. I didn't even invest enough time in learning my right skills. Plus, I tried to do everything myself instead of outsourcing or using other resources that was already out there, and I just quickly burned out. I was juggling too many roles: the creator, the marketer, the accountant, the everything, while trying to keep my family happy and my household running smoothly. Until one day I was serious. Like, I was like, you know what? I'm not going backwards to slaving over no heat press or no cricket machine. I know this is what I want to do. I just got to find out, what am I missing? So another door opened up for me, and it was like, aha, this is how they claim to be the financial free and the stress free way of life. Now, here's the thing I wish I would have known from day one, and it's called PLR and MRR products. Now, if you're new to digital products, PLR simply stands for private label rights, and MRR stands for master resale rights. And these contents can be game changing. Now, these particular products are ready-made products that you can buy, you customize it, and you simply sell them as your own. Now, they do save you a ton of time and the effort, and they allow you to start selling them right away without having to create everything from scratch, like just trying to think about all of the stuff that you want to say in it, whether it's a ebook or a planner, whatever it is. You don't have to start from scratch because they're already ready for you to go. Plus, now you get to learn the ropes of digital marketing and product sales without feeling so overwhelmed. So now you may be asking, well, how can I utilize these in growing my side hustle income or creating a real side hustle out of this? First thing I will tell you to do is find a reputable PLR or MRR provider that offers the high quality products in your niche. Now, look for items like ebooks, templates, printables, or even online courses that aligns with your brand and your side hustle. Now, don't do like I did. When I first heard about this, I just ran out to all type of sites and this person and that person. I purchased this, I purchased that, to where I literally have a desktop or a flash drive full of these type of products. After I realized that I did this, a lot of them, I'm not going to say all of them, but a lot of them, some of them really don't align with my brand or my business that I had in the beginning. But now I am finding ways that I can try to push these products and get them resold again to my current customers. But you want to make sure that you do that. That's very important. You want to look for these products in your niche already. So if you are a makeup artist, you want to look for products from people that are in your niche. There are other makeup artists that are offering printables or ebooks or courses on how to do makeup or whatever it is. If you are a hairstylist, you want to do the same. You want to look for products that people are offering with the rights that teaches people about their hair or whatever it is that you guys talk about, or whatever it is that your customers or your clients may find beneficial if you are to offer it to them. If you're a travel agent, oh my God, uh, travel guides or planners, or how to plan for a travel or a beautiful destination. Look for those type of products. I mean, the list, I can go on and on. If I would, this video would be forever, but I can go on and on giving ideas of where you need products that you need to look for. So whatever your specialty is, whatever your side hustle is, whatever your niche is, those are the products that you want to purchase. You don't want to be a person that bakes cakes, but you're looking over in for products that's in the nursing field, or that's in the like the therapy field. You don't want to do that. You want to look in your niche and find your products. Now, secondly, you want to customize those products to reflect your unique voice and your style. Just because it's pre-made doesn't mean it can't be personal. Now, you do want to add your own special touch to these products. You want to add your logo. You want to tweak the content. Read the content, I would say, first, importantly. Then you may want to add some things. You want to take some things out. Make it yours. Make it sound just like it came off of your desktop. Okay. The third thing is you want to start promoting these products on your platform. Use your social media accounts. Use your YouTube channel. Use your email list to build awareness and to drive the sales to you. And don't forget to leverage any existing audience that you have at your 9 to 5 jobs. People that know what you do already. Let these people know what are you doing now and why you're doing, how amazing it is, and how much support that you can get from these people when you're being transparent and genuine about your new side hustle and how you're growing your side hustle, turning it into another stream of income, creating your own digital products. Now, I've been in this area for over 2 years now, and I will say, to be honest, this is a great way to get going and to build traction. But you do not want to use this and allow this to be the only way in your side hustle to get by. Now, if you already have a dope side hustle, you have clients, and you're doing very well, this is the best way to start. But what you ultimately want to do in the end is start creating your own digital products using your own expertise, your own skills. That way, you can save money by purchasing PLR or MRR products from other people. Now you can be the go-to source and offer the digital products to your clients and to other people, other business owners in your particular niche. Now, that is what I do. I teach other women who know nothing about what I'm talking about right now, who have never heard of a digital product, who have never heard of PLR or MRR products. I teach them exactly what I'm saying now. I teach them if they already have a side hustle, I show them how they can take their own expertise and their own skills and how to create another stream of passive income for themselves and make more money online by simply creating their own digital products that they can offer to the world or offer to their clients. So there you have it. That is my messy but meaningful way and my journey to creating passive income streams. And the one thing I wish I had done differently from the start. Now, I am not an advocate, nor do I encourage or I push the ideal off onto people saying, oh, you can quit your 9 to 5 and do this, or quit your 9 to 5 and do that. Because in the world that we live in today, in today's time, it's not feasible for everyone to just up and quit their 9 to 5. So you do not have to quit your 9 to 5 today in order to grow your side hustle. If you're not in a place to do so, do not throw away your existing side hustle to make digital products work. You can use this as an additional boost in your side hustle along with your 9 to 5 job to create that additional stream of income. Just simply use the strategies that I just told you to do, build on that until you are now the person that people are coming to for their new digital product ideas. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you will never miss a new video, because I'm telling you, I'm ready to teach you guys as much as I know and to help a lot of people, like I said, who never heard of this and are in that struggle. Like, I got to find a new way to make another stream of income. Okay. And if you have any questions or you want more information on PLR and MRR products, drop a comment below and I will try my best to answer as many questions as I can. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, until you find the right tools with a little bit of good strategy, you can build a life that you want without making mistakes that I did. All right. Until the next time, guys, stay creative, stay focused, keep pushing towards your dreams, and bye now.